Welcome to Sai Tech Info channel, my dear students. In today's tutorial session, let me explain about the problem based on application of trigonometry. This problem is given here. The angles of depression. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a building (50 meters) high as observed from the top of a tower. From the top of a tower are 30° and 60° respectively. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. And also the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. So this is the question. Whenever you are given such problem, you should be able to identify the objects, that is the heights and the distances. The height objects should be indicated here. So what are the objects here? Building. This is one object and another is tower. And the building height is given as 50 meter. And observe where from it is observed. It is observed from the top of the tower, and it is given as angle of depression. What is that? Angles of depression. What are those? 30°, 60°. Right? Now the two objects, which is higher? So once you are able to identify the object, so you have got here the building. Building is there and tower. So from the top of a tower, it is depression. Depression means, that is, let me assume this is the tower and this is the building. So from the top of the tower, so some X and Y, somebody is looking at sitting at the top of the tower and looking like this. So this is the equal level, is it not? And here, now from this, the top of the tower is viewed like this. And this is the tower. Are you able to follow? So this is the tower and this is the ground level. So this is the tower and this is, let me say, A, B, C, D. AB is the tower. First indicate, you can draw some rough diagram. AB is the height of the tower. Tower height you can put, or height of the tower. And then building. So CD is the height of the building. Height of building. That is what? How much? It is given. Building height is 50 meter. So 50 meter. So you can draw a line like this, which is parallel to this one. And A, B, C, D, let it be E. And you can mention this as F also. So AF is parallel to EC, EC is parallel to BD. Similarly, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, right. And this is given as the angle of depression. So from here there are two angles of depression. One is looked at this angle from this straight line. So this one is 30 degree. And you can draw another parallel line here. So alternate interior angle can be same. So being parallel, and this AC is transversal. So you can put this is also 30 degree. Is it clear? Right. And then here another line is drawn, and it is at the top, like bottom. So the angle will be, let me indicate with green color. This is 60 degree. Therefore, alternate interior angle AF is parallel to BD. So it should be 60 degree. So we have now two objects, building, tower. Okay. So this is 50 and this is also 50. EB is also 50. You can mention this one. This is also 50. Okay. This is also 50 meter. And the total height, that is the tower height, the total height, that is AB. Right? Okay. Now, in this case, that is, let me consider two triangles, and this is the right angle. So let me consider ABD. So triangle ABD. And what is the other triangle? Other triangle is, this is also 90 degree. So AEC. Triangle AEC. Why I have chosen these two triangles? Because we have the relevant angles here. So this depression angles are converted into elevation here by fixing the alternate interior angles. So ECA is, that is 30 degree. ECA is equal to 30 degree. Therefore tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equal to, tan 30 degree is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay. And what about the tan 30? Tan 30 is root 3, is it not? So this you can mention like this. So tan 30 degree is equal to AE by EC, is it not? Right. Now let us consider, that is, we had to work out like this, 30 degree and 60 degree. You can draw some rough diagram, put sine and cos. So sine 30 1 by 2 and sine 60 root 3 by 2. So the best thing is diagonally they should be equal. So this is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is the diagonal part. Okay. So what is asked here? Tan 30. So tan 30 means sin 30 divided by cos 30. Is it not? That is tan 30. Therefore 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. So you have to reciprocate. So 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. So that is 1 by root 3. That is equal to AE. What is AE here? So this is, which is nothing but the total height. Let me assume the height of the tower. What is asked here? The height of the tower is asked. Let me put h, that is equal to. So this will be the total height of the tower. We can put h here. Okay, so AE is nothing but h. So you can put h divided by, and what is EC? The distance between. So the horizontal distance. is it not? So that is the, you can this is the horizontal distance. If you want to put D, you can put D also. So that is this one, D, because EC is equal to BD, that is equal to what? D. Okay, so you can mention EC is parallel and equal to BD, that is nothing but the horizontal distance. Okay, so now we are very clear about D and H. So you can replace here. So EC is nothing but what? Which is nothing but D here, is it not? Right. And so 1 by root 3 is equal to H. What is this? The total height is H. Okay, and this total height, now let me consider, that is AE. So we consider it is not a total height, we have to consider only AE because it is given as AE. So I cannot take H here. So instead I can put H minus, okay, this is the total height, H minus 50. Okay, you can put 50 because total height H minus EB. EB is nothing but 50, so I can replace this, so 50. So H minus 50 divided by D. Okay, right. And now what is D? D is equal to, you can bring D here and root 3 here. So H minus 50 into root 3. Okay, so let it be equation 1. And let us work out ABD. So in which, what is AB? AB is nothing but H. So we can find out the angle 60. So tan 60. Tan 60 degree is tan 60 root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means root 3. So tan 60 is equal to, in terms of opposite and adjacent, AB by BD. So you can write AB by BD, right? So what is tan 60, which is root 3, that is equal to, and here AB is nothing but H divided by, what is BD? BD is nothing but D. Okay, BD is nothing but D. So this is equation 2. What you can do, you can bring D this side. So D is equal to H by root 3. So this is modified equation, you can put 3. So the LHS of a third equation is D, that is equal to H by root 3. And then the LHS of equation 1, that is also D. So the LHS is D in third equation. The LHS is D in the first equation. So since LHS are equal, RHS should be equal when we compare 1 and 3. So let us compare from 1 and 3. So H minus 50 into root 3 is equal to, H minus 50 into root 3 is equal to, here H by root 3. Okay, now we can that is expand it by multiplying, and here H minus 50 into root 3. Let me rewrite, H minus 50 into root 3, that is equal to, what is the first equation here? H by root 3. So H by root 3. Okay, so H by root 3. So let me cross multiply this. Okay, so we are able to get H minus 50 into, you have got already root 3 and this multiplication root 3, that is equal to, and here it is 1, so 1 into H, right? Now we can multiply root 3 into root 3, 3. So H minus 50 into 3 is equal to H. So 3H, you can further expand, 3H minus 150 is equal to H. So 3 into H, 3H, 3 into 50, 150, so this is H. Therefore you can bring this H this side. So 3H minus H, and minus 50 150 can be brought as plus 150. Therefore 3h minus h is equal to 2h, that is equal to what? 150, and h is equal to 150 divided by 2, that is equal to 75 meter. So what is the height of the tower? 75 meter. This is the height of the tower. But they have asked the distance also, horizontal distance. What is horizontal distance? It is given here. You can take the simple equation. Equation 1 you can consider. So d is equal to h minus 50 into root 3. Okay. So h minus 50 into root 3 is equal to d. So from this we can find out what is h. We have got already h. Substitute 75 minus 50 into root 3, that is d. 70 minus 50, that is 25. So 25 root 3 is equal to d. So you can leave it as 25 root 3. Otherwise put 1.732 and multiply. Okay. So what is the, you have to present the answer neatly. Height of the tower, is it not? The not height of the tower, height of the building. So the height of the building, that is h, we have taken h, is equal to 75 meter. And what is the horizontal distance between the tower and the building? So horizontal distance between tower, foot of the tower actually, foot of the tower and foot of the building. Okay, so that is equal to how much? That is 25 root, it is represented by d. So 25 root 3. So this is the answer. Okay.